Our hearts are breaking for this poor and loyal pup who just lost his owner. After his owner jumped off a bridge in Wuhan, China, the heartbroken pup refused to accept that he'd lost his best friend. For 4 days, the loyal pup waited on Yangtze Bridge, unable to leave his owner behind. A local resident named Zhu knew what had happened to the pup's owner and attempted to rescue and adopt the sad dog. However, the pup escaped. Now the Wuhan Small Animal Protection Association is asking the public for help in localizing the missing pup. They want to make sure that this loving, loyal, and pure-hearted pup doesn't have to spend the rest of his life on the streets. They intend to find him a new family and give him the chance to experience love and happiness again. We hope they find this little pup soon. He deserves all the love and care in the world. We love happy endings. Please share this story with your family and friends.